Good morning, distinguished colleagues. My name is Maxim Pozdnyakov. I represent the company DE-CIX, and I'm glad to see you in this city. I studied here at the university, and it was a fascinating period in my life. So I hope that you have met very interesting people, and you will be happy to come here once again. My topic is the change of the DE-CIX Apollon, cutting-edge interconnection. Some colleagues may tell me another variant of Russian variant of the name of my report. Maybe it is a kind of innovative adding. Some people can think about our new about our great plans to conquer Moon or something like that, or Mars, but in fact it is just a new technology, or a new phase. What Apollon is three elements. There is A2 platform, Alcatel-Lucent, and of course that is personnel of DE-CIX. What are our goals? It is to join 100 gigabit interfaces and to provide the scaling of the platform till 20 terabits per second in 2016 and 45 terabit per second in 2018. We would like to replace one-to-one redundancy in the core with N+ redundancy, keep local traffic local. We're going to reserve to make redundancy and multipathing on upper protocol layers. So the optical layer, it is ADVA FSP 3000 platform, and it is up to 28 gigabit per second length. And switching layer is Alcatel-Lucent 7950, which gives us the opportunity to provide 100 gigabits per chassis, or 10 chassis in total, inclusive 4 Apollon supernodes scoring for secure locations. What I would like to stress, there are some pros and contras. Of course, there are some advantages like the possibility for multi-chassis, best implementation of the functions we need, and migration scenario possible with a minimum influence on client connections. As you can see, there are also some disadvantages. It is DC chassis only, so we need external rectifiers and no S-flow. Well, this slide provides us with a new topology. There are different commutators of the network core. The core is located in 2 parts of Frankfurt: Eastern Level 3 in Telecity and the Western Interaction, from which there are outcomes to the main data centers of Frankfurt campus at Kleerstrasse, and Angetel Telecity and Shelter, and in the eastern part there is another block of Interaction and Equinix. You can see that interconnection within the core is each to each, taking into consideration the reservation of optic fiber pairs, and all in all there are 10 chassis. It is the same device, Alcatel-Lucent. I would like to stress that the interconnection scheme gives us an opportunity to join these points with pseudo cables, and client connections are organized by DVDM platform to the access commutators, so the traffic is local both at the access commutator and the core commutator. You can see migration set up at this slide. Well, looking at this scheme, I'm not sure that everything will be very easy, but I suppose that we will succeed. There is a new core which provides, which supports the functionality of the old topology and the new topology. We switch on new access commutators. We are planning to launch this platform on the 1st of July and to migrate all connections till the 1st of December 2013. So probably that's it about my report, and thank you for your attention. I suppose I'll give the time for other speakers. Thank you. I have a question. Yes, we have a time for questions, but please come to the mic and introduce. It is important for us to know who are you. Vladimir Ostrovsky from the Google. Why did you decide to use Alcatel router? The software the Alcatel routers is for bridge routers, and the platform XLS was launched first a year ago. It was important to PLS and NPLS scenario to implement these scenarios. The technicians were running different analysis for a year, and now we have a solution which meets our requirements. We didn't. It is not because of the peculiarity of this or that device, but because of the solution which meets our requirements. I'd like to introduce our technical director, Arnold Nipper. He's you can address all your technical questions on him if there are any. Thank you, Maxim. I have a question. Has been a platform launched? The equipment is on sport, and on the 1st of July we launch it. Thank you very much for your report.